Okay, we're gonna go into Williams-Sonoma. Look at the waterfall. Yes, look at, I made good Sunday morning. We're having another flood from that washing machine. There's towels all over the floor. Yeah, you see the footprints? It's soaked. It really soaked. Went into this room a little bit. Went into this room a lot. Went in here a lot. I better go get some coffee. So bright. Okay guys, it's Sunday night. And look at what I've been waiting for this all day long. Here, it's starting now. I don't know if I might do an after Walking Dead season finale reaction video. I just might. I'm in my PJs already. Looking all fulonga, my favorite way to be. And as you can hear in the background. Oh no, she took the... Sasha. Okay. Okay, you guys, I gotta go. Gots to go. I'll be back in a little bit. It's a commercial, you guys. Commercial break. This is from the Dollar Tree. I also have... Anyway, for crunchy snack. I'm snacking, you guys. It's my TV night. And banana chips. All from the Dollar Tree. For a minute that Sasha took that poison pill that... dude, I can't think of his name right now. Gave her... She was asking for a knife or something. He gave her a pill. So she was dreaming. Oh, and it just got my heart. She was kissing Abraham. And if you watch Walking Dead, you know Abraham's dead. Killed by Negan. At the finale of last season's finale. Anyway. So I thought for sure she took the pill, and I thought, that's not Sasha, she's a warrior. Sasha's a warrior. Negan woke her up, and then there was a little thingy going on with Rick. Well, it actually started with them getting the guns from all the women that are hiding deep in the woods from Negan and his people. I'm all over the place, you guys. If you watch Walking Dead, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, I know you're thinking, what the heck is she talking about? It's back. Gotta go. I lay with him. Okay? I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew the way that woman looked at him every time. Look at her. As in BRB. Monday night, it's pizza night. We've been doing so much spring cleaning and organizing that we just didn't cook today. And I know this is not healthy, but it's the hot and ready. I think they're like $4. So yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. I will not put myself on the camera because I am hideous, you guys. Don't want to scare you. Hope you guys are having a good Monday. So there's the Little Caesar, but let me just pan on over here. Right next door there's a sushi place. And oh, whoa, lo and behold, my Dollar Tree. Let me put the window down. Here comes Mom. Dollar Tree. Nope, not going in it.
Thank you to my beautiful wife, my beautiful pregnant
wife. What you doing, honey? What you doing? She's been a party animal. Such a big boy that you are. Look at my crazy mess on my vanity. Doesn't take long for this to happen. So I'm putting my face on because I have a doctor's appointment. It's Wednesday morning right now. And I thought I'd pop in here to show you this mascara. I'm really loving it. It goes on really easy. It's the NYC Skyrise mascara. And I got this a while back. And I just unpackaged it and I started using it. It's been a while since I got this. And I really, really like it. I don't know if you could tell. You could probably tell I need to pluck my eyebrows. But, not now. See the eyelashes? I have a couple of high-end mascaras. I don't want to take you off my face. I have a couple of high-end mascaras. But I only use them like when I'm going to go or some kind of special occasion. And I don't even know why I say that because there's never a special occasion. Seriously, I don't go anywhere. But I need a new one of these. I absolutely love this. By Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's my all-time fave. I'm gonna stop scaring y'all right now. I'm finished getting ready so I can go to the doctor. Talk at y'all later, Gata. Hi guys, I'm in the doctor's exam room. I've already had my vitals taken. And just waiting for the doctor now. And it's just so that I can get my blood pressure medications updated. It's just a BP check, that's all. I'm okay. I'm gonna live. I just wanted to check in with you guys because I haven't really been picking up the camera. They're coming. They're not coming. There's a lot of people here today. It's a really nice building. I have not been picking up the camera. I did pick it up on Sunday night. And I did that reaction video for the season finale for The Walking Dead, my favorite show. And what else? I don't think I've really done much of anything. I have another doctor's appointment tomorrow. I lead a very boring life, you guys. Very boring. And I just want to share it with you. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. I don't know if you can hear me because I'm trying to whisper. Okay. Over and out. Over and out. Here we are at Kaiser. Mom went in to get her prescriptions, and because it's so nice out, I decided to take a seat outside here on these benches and wait for her to pick up her meds. We're coming to get an early dinner at King Leo's. Mom and I are going to split a pastrami sandwich. Yum. Here on Ming Avenue, busy street. Look at that Leo's burger. Put that with you. You're number 33. Okay. I'm vlogging in here. There's a lot of people. We came in with the intentions to split a pastrami sandwich because my mom was craving pastrami. And we decided to get our own, so she got her pastrami and I'm getting the, well no, this is a double, I'm getting a regular cheeseburger. Because I got such a good report at the doctor. Shame on me, huh? I shouldn't be eating junk food. Hey, but she offered because we have to, we still gotta go pick up some dog food too before we go home. Because my poochies are hungry and that we ran out. I go through dog food so fast, you guys. It's like we're running a doggy kitty zoo at my house. No complaints. I love every single one of them. I really need to work on this chin. I love every single one of my fur babies. Little brats. They're all brats. Mama's back. I'm going to show you the food when we get the food. we are leaving. That was short and sweet. I'm home, guys. I'm barefoot. It's warm. It's beautiful. And I'm walking out to get my mail. The doctor appointment went well. I go back next Monday and the following Monday. Plus, I have another doctor's appointment tomorrow for my workers' comp injury. So, yeah, okay. No news is good news, would you say? Just in the mailbox. Let me turn this around so you can see the pretty sunshine. It's, I think it's 5 p.m. on the dot. And there's our sun starting to set in the west. Isn't that a pretty picture? So we just came back from errands, doctors. Oh, there's a bunch of little gnats all over the place. Anyway, I stopped off at a Dollar Tree that's out of my regular range and did a quick shop with me in there. And it was just a quickie. Got a couple things. I'm going to go inside and do a haul and then put the video together. Here, say hi to Kid Grouchy. What, honey? What's the matter? Tell me all about it. What? What's the matter, honey? Okay. So we came in to turn fans on because it's so warm outside that the house felt suffocating, stuffy, like no air. I turned the big house fan and then our little plug-ins to try to get some air circulating so we could breathe. Good Wednesday morning, you guys. I'm in the car. It's already started. The birds are chirping. It's a beautiful day, but it's a little cold. I'm gonna start the car, start driving out the driveway. Anyway, I want to pop in and say good morning with my no makeup ugly face, sleepy face. I have my prodigal son finally came home in the wee hours of the morning, and I am so grateful. I am happy for the good day. My son's home, and anyway, I'm going to the doctor's again. This is for my work injuries, and there's a lot of things coming up for me, a lot of changes. But I need to put the phone down because I'm on the main road here, and this is illegal. Okay, I'm chewing on the candy. I haven't had breakfast yet, just the coffee. And I look like crapola. I just got out of the doctor's. It gave me a shot and it hurt. It went right into the bone, into the shoulder bone. Ow, ow, ow. It's supposed to make me feel better and more, use my arm better. Anyway, yeah, that's what they did to me. I'm gonna go home, throw myself together, and see what's happening over there, and edit a video. I have a small Dollar Tree haul video to edit. I just uploaded a shop with me video. Hey, for those of you guys that are following me on those, thank you so much for bearing with me. Sometimes I have like days that I limp because I have several work injuries. I really can't talk right now. And some days I do. I call myself gimpy because I'll limp. When I should learn not to, and I'm trying to learn this, not to walk and film at the same time, because I've had numerous complaints about the Trumbo camera, and I know it's hard to watch. So I don't complain about the complaints. I am grateful for them because they're making me aware of what I'm doing and what I need to work on. So thank you for bearing with me on that, because I am working on it. I have to keep reminding myself, stop, turn the camera on, and then slowly pan around if I want to show more. One day, when life gets much better financially, I'm going to get me I want a Canon camera. I'm just filming with a phone, so I know that makes a big difference. I'm going to get my old iPhone, get some more storage on it, and use that one, because this is a Samsung, but you know, I'm pretty impressed with the Samsung phone camera as well. But anyway, that's what I'm talking about. I better go. Car's on. I'm going to go home now, you guys. See you in a little bit.